Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai i10. In this video I'll show you common problem and repair costs. The i10 is generally reliable, but older examples can develop clutch wear, suspension noise, electrical faults, and air conditioning problems. Petrol engines can also develop oil leaks or ignition-related issues as mileage increases. The good news is that most mechanical repairs are relatively inexpensive because the car has simple design and inexpensive parts. A thorough inspection of the clutch, suspension, and gearbox is recommended before buying. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.